Hey guys, how's everybody doing? This is Nora the Stock Explorer. Happy Friday, everybody. How's everybody doing? We're gonna go over some stock plays that I made this week, some ones I may be in today, and we're watching these four that are up on the screen. This is Webull. If you'd like Webull, check out my links in the description. And you can also get Webull and trade along with the team. Guys, also check out my link for Capitalist Academy. You get your first month absolutely for free. Come and learn how to trade like a professional, guys. Use my link in the description. Hopefully you guys can hear the jams a little bit. Alright, so up on the screen, we have Tesla Maesla. She is trying to get to 1100 this morning, steadily inching up. I think Tesla has some fantastic things planned for the future that we just don't know about yet, guys. As far as long-term picks, this is a winner chicken dinner, guys. I can't even believe it. I think a couple weeks ago I went through the Tesla dealership over here in Eatonville, Florida, just to take a drive through, and it was in the 700s. I think it was 725 that morning, and I said, this is a great buy-in price. Holy smokes, guys, we're over $1,000. That's insane. That's so crazy. I can't even believe that it's still pumping and pushing. Good morning, Back Alley Stock Pick. Sorry, guys, you can't see my face. I'm using this little laptop and it's fighting me this morning. It doesn't want to do what I wanted to do on Streamlabs. But I like to use Streamlabs so you can see what I'm looking at. You can look at the charts, guys, so sorry about that. Good morning, 40 and broke, loving some Tesla. Guys, can you hear the music at all? If not, I can pump it up just a little bit so you guys can hear a little bit of the music as well. Tesla's insane. Back in March, it had a massive dip, and a lot of people got scared out of it, including myself. I sold off a couple of my shares. Man, do I wish I had just diamond hand held those Tesla shares. I would have 5 or 6 of them by now. Back Alley says I'm driving so I can only listen. Okay, that's what's up, man. I appreciate you stopping in, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button for your girl, Nora the Stock Explorer. I wanted to come and connect with you guys. I miss talking to you guys. There's so much that has happened this week. Of course, we have Facebook. They are changing their name to Meta. Now, as you know, the popular acronym FANG, which is Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Well, we can't call it the FANG anymore because it's Facebook is becoming Meta, so I guess it's going to be MANG, which doesn't really make for a cool sounding acronym anymore. It says the FANG investing acronym was created in 2013 by Jim Cramer, the founder of The Street. It was both catchy and true to form for the companies it represented. Think of FANG on a rabid dog, and it's not unlike all 5 tech giants shredding the throats of inferior companies across the spectrum. And because of that ferocity leading to the eye-popping profits almost every single quarter, FANG also reflected the aggressive nature of the stock prices of all 5 tech beasts. Okay. FANG as an investment has just worked incredibly well in popular investing culture and financially speaking. Okay, so yeah, now all the investing fun here is done because of Zuck. Come December 1st, Facebook will officially change its name to Metaverse. I'm sure you guys have heard about this already. And the new ticker will be MVRS. So get ready to usher in the era of the MANG. We hope it will prove as fruitful as the soon-to-be deceased FANG. I figured that would get changed sooner or later, but I actually thought that Tesla would be in there somewhere. And it would be the Tang right? So the music I'm using is courtesy of Thrive Together. Check him out. It's ran by Kevin, who also runs the channel called Tuber Chat. He runs 24/7 music for you to use in the background of your videos. So I will try to remember to provide the link for that in the description. Back Alley said it's the perfect amount of music, I think. Okay, great, guys. I think I got that figured out for you guys. It sounds very, very loud in my ear, but that's okay. That's okay. So what did I buy this week, guys? Well, this week I bought some Nvidia for a swing trade. Thinking about everything that's going on with the metaverse and other companies that will be joining the metaverse. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's basically going to be a virtual world that you can enter into. I believe we will have our own avatar, and you can explore the world in sort of like a virtual reality 3D sort of space where you actually feel as though you're immersed into the world in which you are exploring. So one of the big players, of course, and how you will get into this metaverse will primarily be Metaverse, or formerly known as Facebook, but there will be others, and I speculate that there will be other companies that will benefit immensely from this whole metaverse world that is being constructed as we speak. They've hired many computer software people to create this metaverse. So I bought some Nvidia because I felt as though Nvidia is just going to be a huge part of calculating all that data and processing all that data that is needed to be a part of the metaverse. So I think that's a great stock for you guys to watch list. You want to probably put that on your watch list, and if it does dip, I would snap up a couple Nvidia. They're a little pricey. We were hoping to get it closer to the 200 day moving average, but it just doesn't seem to be dipping down. It's kind of gone up. I am up, I think, 1.5% since I bought it. I believe I bought it on Wednesday. I bought 12 shares of it. So that is my stock pick call out. Another thing I have is Uber. I bought in a $50 Uber call that's out until March of 2022. I believe Uber is going to be one of these companies that will benefit from ride sharing and also be utilizing Tesla in some way, shape, or fashion. As far as using the Teslas as a taxi service, I could be wrong, but I think Uber is going to capitalize on that in some respect, and the best time to get in it would probably be now, before all these sort of partnerships and news comes out. They're already partnered with the Lime scooters. You know, there's so many other partnerships that they have, so I could see them working in unison by utilizing a lot of Tesla vehicles. So that's one for the watch list. Of course, the Doge, my puppy woke up this week. We hit over 30 cents. It's consolidating nicely around this 29-30 cent price range, which is awesome. Back Alley says, so basically Facebook has become Facebook has become Minecraft. Yes, they're spending a massive amount of money. They want to be the go-to place to experience the metaverse, and of course other companies will be using metaverse. Good morning, Darren, the shareholder. Bond, how are you doing, my friend? Nice long call on Uber there. Yeah, I hope I'm right. I think people are going back to work. Things are starting to get back to normal, and by March of next year, I think Uber should be over $50. That's the chance I was willing to take. Of course, stock options are risky, but I think they'll be doing pretty good. Dixie Cuddles Fitness in the house. Good morning, Dixie Cuddles. You know, I missed Brainstorm's Pocky One Chip Challenge last night. I was hanging out with you on your cooking video, and then, you know, guys, I try to support as many different creators as I possibly can. And sometimes that means maybe not staying for your entire live stream. I may hop around a lot, even though I know some people don't like when you do that. But what you don't want to do is say, hey, I was in this live, and then go in another live and say, hey, I was over at this other live, because that messes. Then you get everybody running from one person's live into another, and I don't do that. I kind of goofed the other day, and I mentioned somebody's live in Commander's live, and he was like, oh, you don't do that. I was like, oh, my bad, brother. I didn't mean it like that. I'm just really trying to get out there and to support everybody. But Dixie, I did catch, I would say, most of your cooking show, and I enjoyed it, and I think you should do more of those. It really had a nice, cozy feel to it. It was like a nice little hangout, and you always bring a lot of positive energy, so I did enjoy that. Yeah, you're welcome. That was good. She made a tater tot casserole. Anything with tater tots, that's a winner. That's good stuff. So that looked really good. And then she made spiced apples. I forget the exact name, but those look good too. I love those hot apples with cinnamon, and oh my god, yeah, I love that too. But I missed his one chip challenge. Brainstorm is a night owl. Nice cup and handle on Doge. Yeah, see that? Look at that. There's the cup, guys, and there is the handle. My average in Weeble, unfortunately, is at 40 cents. I kind of got caught up in it earlier this year, around the time Elon went on Saturday Night Live. I really thought we were going to be well over 50 cents by this time of the year, but I think the Santa rally is going to show a lot of good things for Dogecoin. If you guys aren't in it, I would consider keeping an eye on it and maybe buying the dip, because she's definitely going to go over $1. I believe in Elon's vision for it, and I just think that's just the destiny of it. He made it 10 minutes. Oh! I can't do, as much as I would be a good sport about it, I can't, because I'm having issues here and there, so my stomach's kind of sensitive, and I can't really mess with it. I heard that it could cause you some serious stomach pain when you eat those peppers that they put in the one chip Pocky challenge are so super intense. Your body's just like kind of like it's going to recognize it as an intruder for sure, and then mine would completely attack it and make me feel like I was dying. So, but good on him. I'm going to watch that replay. She made red hot cinnamon apples. Awesome. Yeah, you know, I mean, I just maybe in my 20s I would have a go at it, but I'm not in my 20s, and my body would definitely be pretty angry if I tried to consume anything of that nature. So I can't do the hot spicy challenge things. The closest I would do is maybe some hot chips or something like that. But yeah, Doge has that classic cup and handle, like Darren, the shareholder bond, was saying. See this big cup that's forming, and then it kind of comes down and makes the handle, and after that it usually shoots up to the next level, which in this case would be probably maybe the 35 cent range, and hopefully we can consolidate up there around 35 cents. Tesla's not okay, she's going up, she's going down. She's not at 1100 yet, but I think long term it's going to be this thing is going to end up being a $3,000, $4,000 stock, guys. I really do. Everybody's like, oh, it can't double again. Yeah, Tesla will double again, guys. The only thing is it's so expensive. You know, it's not like I have a whole bunch of money to just sit on a bunch of Tesla shares, because once you buy them, you don't want to sell them. That's my personal opinion, guys. This isn't financial advice. If there's any other tickers that you guys want to have a look at, oh, thank you, Back Alley. I appreciate that. Yeah, I have a birthday coming up right after Halloween, and I'm getting closer and closer to the big 50, which is kind of insane. I can't even believe it. I feel like I'm like a kid at heart, so it's kind of very weird for me to think that I am almost the big 50. It's crazy. But I'm trying to do a decent balance of, you know, being online and not being online. You don't want to forget to enjoy the world around you, enjoy your family, enjoy your pets. Don't always have your face in the phone, guys, or be online. But I appreciate you guys listening. For those of you that are driving around, I appreciate you listening. And for those of you watching, if you would like for me to pull up a different stock chart, let me know. I can do that. Let's look at some other news articles. Let's see if it'll pull up a few more news articles. See what's going on here. My portfolio, blah, 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 blah. News. All right, latest news. This is Yahoo Finance. Let's see what they're saying. I think Apple took a fade because their earnings did not meet expectations. That's a little surprising for Apple. Very, very surprising. Not as many people are buying wearable devices and iPads and iPhones as they had thought. So S&P is actually down a tiny bit this morning as well. A lot of big earnings coming up. Apple shares see sharp decline. I had swing traded Apple last week, and I'm out of it, which is kind of good because I see it's taking the fade of Rooney McFatty. Apple shares see sharp declines after earnings. Here is why. Sorry guys, my computer's a little laggy. It's acting like it doesn't want to come up for me, but pretty much the recap of it is, yeah, they didn't hit their price targets, guys. So of course, you know, the market is going to react to that. They're going to respond to that, and you're going to see a little fade of Rooney. Yeah, this is not wanting to come up. Hold on a second. I will be getting a better laptop because this is extremely slow. But this is I don't even know what that is. What is that? This is extremely a slow laptop. It's a loaner from the college that I work at. Let's go back to Weeble Wobble. Anyway, guys, I'm really stoked to see Tesla doing its thing. I'm just always fascinated at what they could come up with next. I know they have Starlink, and they're actually working with Google, so that is going to create quite a beast of a internet provider. I would like Starlink if it was available. I believe they're running a beta. Some people have it. You put the dish on your roof. Thanks for hanging out with us, Back Alley Stock Picks, guys. Go over to his channel and give him a subscribe. He's always putting out great penny stock picks for you guys to put on the watch list, or maybe even go ahead and invest in. Some of them have made a nice little bit of money since he's called them out. He does a great job at staying consistent with uploading stock picks for you. He wears the bandana over his face. I think he said he doesn't like to have his face on YouTube, which is cool. It's no big deal. Some people don't. But yeah, I'm in the Doge. I have about 13,000 shares of the Doge. And now I think I have about Nvidia. Those are my two call outs. As far as my Robinhood account, let's have a look and see what we got here. I have an Activision call debit spread that's up $49. It expires 11/19. It's the $72.50 and $70 one. That made me money, almost $50 now. I have a Corsair one that did not. That's down 109. That might be a womp womp, because Corsair is just as fantastic of a company as Corsair is. Big Money is just not hitting it. So I'm probably gonna have to cut that Corsair spread. I have a Clean Spark $20 call, which is up $90 as of this morning, and that does not expire until 1/21 of 22. That's up $90. That's doing fantastic. Clean Spark on the week is up 16%, and on the month is up 70% on the month, guys. That would have gave you a fantastic return. Some of these small cap stocks that have been sleeping for months and months, that got beaten down, are coming back to life. Also, my Doji is coming back to life too. My puppy's waking up. So as far as shares are considered, my Oxy shares did me really solidly. I bought them at $25 a share, and Oxy is now at $33.13. I made 32% on my money on Occidental Petroleum, or OXY. They have some carbon capture technology. If you want to buy in on a good oil company on the dip, Oxy's been doing fantastic. Of course, I have the one share of Tesla, which I'm up $311 as of this morning. I can't even imagine people that own hundreds of shares of Tesla, how stoked they are that they are just like printing money right now. It's ridiculous. Ag Eagle is a company, a penny stock. They're a drone company, and they've been kind of inching up. They have been inching up. On the day, they're up 22%. A lot of these small cap stocks are just they're coming back to life, guys. So if there's one that you really liked, you might want to go have a looky-loo at it, because it might be doing some things. You might be able to get in and quickly double your money over in between now and December. Those remember those stocks like Microvision, like Sens, like BlackBerry, right? Clover Health, those type of ones. If you want to risk it for the biscuit, you can go ahead and maybe throw some money at those, because they seem like they're coming back to life. Moving into the fourth quarter of the year. Back Alley says, I'm thinking of doing a video on where all my picks stand since I pointed them out. Yeah, dude, you should, because it, like, Desktop Metals, man, did well. So many that I saw you call out have gone up. Of course, some haven't, because not all penny stocks make it. Actually, a large percentage of penny stocks don't make it. But some of your picks were hitters, and I think that would be a really interesting video for you to do, and it would be a longer video. You can get some more watch time. Not sure where you are with your watch time, Back Alley Stock Picks, but I know I think I need at least 2,000 more watch hours. So guys, if you watch to the end, I really appreciate it. It does help my channel tremendously when you hit the like button and you do watch until the end. It helps me out a lot. So there are some picks. Keep your eye on Clean Spark. If you can grab that under $20 a share, that ticker is CLSK. I'll bring it up right here. CLSK, Clean Spark. They actually do sustainable crypto mining, or eco-friendly crypto mining, and they do energy solutions. You really want to keep your eye on this stock. This is, I got in it last year at like 22, so it's going to go well over that, guys. It is coming back to life in a big way. You want to watch that one. and of course Nvidia. I just think Nvidia, as expensive as it is just going to be an unstoppable beast. That's why they did the stock split, so people can afford it that may not have been able to afford it, because it's really going to, I think it's going to double at, you know, at some point, maybe even next year. This metaverse is huge, guys. It's called spatial computing, where you're sort of like stepping into another reality. That's the direction it's going into. So any sort of business that can benefit from that is going to do well as we move into that, and everybody's going to love it. You're going to feel like you're sitting in your family member's living room. You're going to be able to step into their world, right? It's sort of mind-blowing what they're trying to do, and it's absolutely possible. It's definitely possible to do it. Imagine how you can connect, where you feel as though you're actually, say you're at a birthday party, you're in Florida and there's a birthday party in California, and you got a 360-degree camera, and you step into that metaverse, and you are right at the party, guys, right? You see them cutting the cake, you see your newborn family member, you know, anything like that. It's so awesome, right? And they're gonna have the wearable technology, like the glasses, in order for you to experience that. So that's just a really brief synopsis of like kind of where they're going with it. Facebook, or Meta, is going to be a fantastic stock pick. That's going to easily double, in my opinion, as well. That's definitely going to be doing well. So let's look at Facebook. It's kind of crazy we're not going to have Facebook. What people are probably still going to call it Facebook, because they're not going to be used to calling it Metaverse. It's at 323 right now. That's going to be $1,000 stock, guys. Put a pin in it. Definitely keep it on your watch list. Now is probably a really great time to buy it, even if you think the Zuckerberg is full of it. What he's doing is an unstoppable trend. People want this. So regardless of how you feel about how he's handled Facebook as a business, people are going to want this metaverse, because there's just simply nothing else like it, and they're going to want to connect in this way. So it's sort of kind of like, you just gotta realize that, hey, you know, this is coming, and it's coming full steam, faster than you think. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up for this morning. I hope you like some of the ideas. I love connecting with you guys. Thanks for everybody that stopped by. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe if you're brand new here. Also check out my links for Capitalist Academy. I think you'll be very, very happy with what you can learn over there. It can be life-changing for you, and you can learn to be a professional trader.